Mabalik ako ng mabilis lang.
Yes, sir.
Security ba? Kapag nag-hire ka ng mga private individuals, first time na mangyayari, yes. Hindi ganito klaseng setup. At umabot sa ganito at saka kung matuloy yun, that would give an impression mas makakatiwala sa mga private individuals. Kesa doon sa mga people in the armed services.
Yes, sir. Kasi sila din naman yung gumawa nun, sir. Ang sinasabi ko lang naman sa kanila is, kasi sinasabi nila palitan, sir. Mahirap kasi, security is fundamentally a trust and confidence position. So it's difficult to entrust your life to somebody you really do not know, and that's, you just put there by somebody who you do not trust as well. So it's a very difficult position, and well, it's a very difficult position, and I actually pointed it out to the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. I told them that there is a line of succession. You're supposed to protect your number 2, your 1 and 2, because that is your reserve. Because one day, if you do not protect your 2, one day you have no 1. If you don't have a 2 and you don't have a 1, you don't have any 1. Diba? That is in the Constitution, and they are supposed to protect that line. Babalik na naman tayo.
Out of the 865 that employees na ulit nila. So, with that regard, yung plano yung pag-outsource ng private security, do you plan to get that same number of security or much higher, considering that you said that you have
yung 400 plus, approximately 400 plus, it was combined PNP and AFP personnel. When the PNP pulled out all the personnel of PNP, ang naiwan na lang is 334 AFP personnel, and not all of them are working for security. Some of them are working for admin, some of them are working for budget, some of them are working for supplies. So there's a lot of there are several offices inside that unit that don't work for securing the person. They work for operations of the entire unit. So, iilan lang dyan, sir, ang nasa security talaga. Yung like close-in security.
Ma'am, yung hindi mo tinatrust na appointing person, is it BBM or the chief of...
Ay, silang lahat, ma'am. I don't trust anyone right now except myself. Oh. Hindi ko na maalala. Ito lang nakaraan. I think this week siguro or last week. I don't trust my memory on that, pero very recently. Yes.
Thank you.